I don't even know what that is. Wednesday. It's 8 a.m. on a Wednesday. And we got about an hour and change. I was going to work on some Foundry stuff. In my test world, and my test world is on Foundry version 10. The mods have all been brought over. I think everything is the way it needs to be. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try and build a scene, populate the scene. I'm going to try to do things the way I normally do them and make sure everything is working. So that's kind of what I'm working on right now. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new folder, and I'm going to call it Foundry VTT v10 test. We'll go ahead and make it orange, because, you know, Foundry's orange. All right. Now inside the folder, I want to try and put the tile template. We need a tall one. There we go. And I like how the color carries through now. That's kind of neat. All right, so we'll go over here. And again, I'm just going to try to go through the my normal routine, my normal way of doing things, and see what happens. And if I run into things that aren't working, then immediately I know that I got shit I got to work on. All right. So let's see. Go to my assets, go to maps. There we go. And this is a good exterior map. It's actually a good cave map. There we go. So what we're going to do is we're using Animal Den from Afternoon Maps. There we go. I'm going to drag this in. All right. It's very big. It's very big. And holding down Alt to scale it uniformly. And how much room do we need on this map? I feel like that should probably do it. Right about there. Alright. And we're just going to do like a little Monster of the Week style encounter. So, I'm going to go to my walls. And right away, I noticed that my wall the whole scene button is gone. And I don't remember who was giving that to me, but it is a little sad to see it go. But I can go ahead and use the square snap and do that. All right. Then we need solid wall for the stonework. So we'll turn off snap, we'll turn off square. We'll go in. I'm also curious how performance is. It feels, and I don't know if this is just my own perspective, you know, being like, it must be better because it's new. But it does feel like it's moving faster, especially when I'm drawing the wall. Oops. Like, I feel like I'm getting much better control out of it. There's not a lot of stuttering when it's creating the wall joints. So, yeah. All right. There we go. Okay. Now, one of the things that I am looking to do is reduce the amount of compendiums I'm using and sort of start fresh on my compendiums. Because I got very excited when the Foundry first came out, and I got a hold of some very, very big compendiums that had like a lot of content. And the problem with that is in those early days, it was very easy. It's very easy to sort of fuck that process up. And I ended up with very messy compendiums that had multiple copies of the same thing. over and over and over again. And now, whenever you try to run your game, it wants to load up everything, including those compendiums that you have linked. And so these bigger compendiums chock full of stuff that I don't necessarily need, that's all going to slow down the overall performance of the game. So I have to kind of look at that and decide, do I want to sort of start over with that? And for me, I guess it's not too much of a decision anymore, since I'm going to finish up the games I'm running for now and then play Pathfinder for a bit. So I don't even know if I need all that D&D stuff anymore. Yeah, weird feeling. All right, I'm going to go ahead and grab these ethereal walls or terrain. Yeah, I'll grab these terrain walls. All right. So we will assume that you can climb these walls at a certain height. There we go. But for the most part, it's for looks. There we go. Kind of go through here, add these. And the reason I chose this map is it's not overly complicated, but you could make it complicated like I'm doing, which feels like a good way to sort of test it out. All right. Though, if I keep going on this, it's just going to look like I'm delaying the inevitable of trying out these new mods and getting things working. So I won't put too much more effort into this before we go ahead and get going. All right. I was hoping to do some like active playtesting, but it might just be me and Orf, and that's totally okay. We could just have Orf control a whole party of adventurers. See what happens. I know it was kind of like last minute, and who the hell's available at 4 p.m. Eastern on a Wednesday, but Alright, so we got these rocks out here, and I want them to actually provide some blocking terrain, because this monster is going to have a breath weapon. There we go. And we got these nice boulders, so might as well use them. There we go. Okay. And I think that's pretty good. We could add trunks for these trees if we really wanted to, but I don't know if we need to. Alright, we're going to switch to this, and we're going to check wall height, make sure that's working. So we're going to make this rock 10 feet. We're going to make this rock 20 feet. 15? 15's fine. And over here, same deal. We'll make these guys 10. And we'll make this one 15. Alright. So all that seems pretty good. In here, looks like we got some more rocks we could work with. So I'm going to go ahead and put these in as rocks that you could kind of climb up. There we go. And there. And we'll go ahead and make these 10 feet also. Alright. Now as far as climbing up these ledges go, let's see. We'll make this ledge 10 feet. And this ledge will be 10 feet. Yeah, so grab the whole chain. There we go. You know what? We'll make these 15 feet. There we go. And then this one will also be 15 feet. Okay, so we've got some terrain variance there, which is good. And a variety of walls, that's good too. Let's see. All right, going outside, we could add some difficult terrain. I think I have a setting for that. We also have hay weight, which I want to test that out on the new setting. We got Moulinet that we have to test as well. Combat carousel. Alright, but let's finish this up. We don't have any like lighting or anything in here, which is a bit disappointing. So I almost want to add some mushrooms in there just to get something to put some lights on. I'm trying to figure out where mushrooms would be. Mushrooms. There we go. Alright. Let's see. Put a couple of groups of mushrooms in here. So we could do like that. There we go. And then, oh, this is kind of uggo mushrooms, but that's all right. And then let's see some of these blue ones right here. And then a group of these. Group of these. Okay. And then group of these. All right. I'm just gonna put these over by where the water is. There we go. Just so we have a little bit of light in the chamber. Okay. So we'll close that out. Make sure this is in the back, and go to lighting. Are these new light tools? Toggle delimiters. Oh, that's kind of cool. Transition darkness. Okay. So we're gonna grab this and make it blue. And let's see, we'll go with, oh, are these, we got new options here? Flickering light, ghostly light, hex light, rolling smoke, torch down here at the bottom, pulse. Ooh, that looks great. Okay. Wow. We'll lower the intensity of the color a little bit. Alright. Put another one right here. And I'll put some over here. Let's see. We'll actually go smaller on these. And we'll do purple. And we'll do the pulse again. Nice. All right. So we've got that. Then we need a exterior light. So I'm just gonna do this. And I'll probably throw some more lights over here. Well, I might not have to if it's respecting height. So let me see. The top and the bottom are infinity, so they should shine over everybody. But let's set the height at 50 and let's see if it does anything. All right, now we're going to set it to dark. Okay. And then we'll go grab test dummy. I think test dummy's here. Yeah, there he is. Okay. Him slowly moving. Boy, he really do be moving slow though. Why is he moving so slow? Huh. Alright, then you go into the cave though, and it starts to get dark. Oh, but there's like, it's just like stark contrast dark there. That's kind of rough. That's a little rowdy. Alright, so what we should do is, I guess I'll just switch back to daytime. And I'll go to the actual settings for the map. So, let's grab this, go here, and we'll call this Monkey Cave. And put that in there. We're going to lower the grid opacity quite a bit. Yeah, that works. Go to lighting and increase the settings here. Oh, yeah, that looks kind of. It's so harsh when you turn the corner there, but I guess that's okay. And then out here. Oof, why is it so slow? And why did it move through the wall? Okay, hold on. I can't remember the setting. Alright, time to hit up Discord. Okay, anyone remember the mod / setting that prevents actors from slowly flying through walls? I think it was on one of the mods I had to retire. How unfortunate. Okay, so I can look at my old notes for mods. Let me see if that'll help. Okay, Foundry VTT 9 mod tracking list. It doesn't have any notes. It's just a list of all the mods that I had. So that's not the document I need. Alright. Current mod list. Which I could throw up the current mod list that I'm working with. I pretty much copied what Dom had, and then I was kind of going from there. We have some mods that we don't both use, but okay, so let's see. Test dummy is going to talk and say, "Why am I teleporting through walls?" Question mark. Ooh, I like that. It's got his little picture in the chat now. That's pretty cool. And the timestamp happens automatically, which is pretty cool. I think that it's linking up with the calendar as well, which is pretty interesting. Though I'm not seeing the calendar options, which is a bit concerning. Like, where did my calendar go? Let's see. Journal notes, lockdown, terrain, effects. Oh, we do have effects here. Special effects, particle effects, invert particle effects mask. What the fuck is that? I don't think I like that. Okay, let's see. Blood spat, clear blood. Okay. Convenient effects. Remove convenient effects. Toggle GM vision. Moulinet. Allow leaning in combat. Size snap. Okay. Let me see. Do we have a large creature I could bring out for snap testing? Yeah, we got a goblin juggernaut. Him dead. Alright, so let's give him his hit points back. And if he's going to be mounted on this guy's going to be moving around. Oh, that's cool. He always stays on top when possible. Okay. So if you're in the middle and we hit M, you move around. Why do you slide off of him, though? That's kind of weird. Okay. And then we also have this that allows you to see who's in the stack and select that particular one, which is good. Let's see. Let's take a bunch of characters and put them all on the same spot. See what happens then. Alright. So we've got these guys. Move them all onto the same square. Oh, that's delicious. That's really cool. Okay. I like that a lot. Alright. And then all of them are going to follow this boy. And then this boy's going to move. Oh, that's nice. God, I would kill to have that in fucking Tuesday nights. Oh my god. I got like 4 fucking minis I got to control. If they could all like move out of the way of each other. It's amazing. That might be why. Trying to figure out why there's like this kind of lag delay there. I wonder if it's the ease in, ease out mod that's causing it to happen. Okay. Well, I want to finish setting up this the scene for Le Combats. So let's go ahead and grab the monsters that we're going to use. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new one, new folder. We're going to call it Foundry VTT v10, and we'll make it orange, just like the scene file. There we go. And I don't think these monsters are going to show up because I turned off that one particular compendium. So we will have to test this boy right here, where you copy and paste in the stat block. So we're going to do import stat block, paste, and import. Lovely. They honkin'. Oh. Oh, we can choose what folder they go to when you import now. Oh shit, that would have been nice. Okay. I'll pay attention to that in the future. Alright, so we got this adolescent Rajang. And let's see. Where did he end up? I guess I have to guess. Rajang? Yeah, I see you, buddy. But where are you? on this list. Ah, there we go. I'm going to drag you up to the Foundry folder. And I guess we need to get you a picture real quick. Let's see. He's just a little guy. It's just a little Rajang. Do we have like a young, kind of adolescent looking one who's being misled, taken advantage of? Or more likely has begun bullying others? We'll use this one. Alright, so we got this guy. We're going to go and get our tokens. And these are Simple Ring, March. Alright. Go ahead and grab this guy. Paste him in. Alright. He fills up the entirety of his space. There's no wasted space here. So we'll go like that. And I'll bring this up here. Alright. I feel like he should have what is it? Like a gold trim on the outside. So let's see if I got gold on here or not. Blue, gold. There we go. Alright, save it out. And this will be Monster Hunter, Rajang. Okay. And then the other monster that we're going to have is the Kongalas or whatever. Kongala? I don't know what the shittier ones are called. Let me check the book. Let's see. Congas. There we go. Monster Hunter. Oh, they cute though. They cute. Alright, let's see. Save it out. Okay. Yeah, one of these, it's a PNG, but it's not really a PNG files. Good times, good times. Alright. It's good enough for what we need for today, though. Alright. I'll go ahead and turn the pink on. Get rid of the gold. Shrunk. And put this cutie in there. There we go. And perfect. I'll go ahead and hide all this. I want his tail to pop out though. What must be done? There we go. I mean, it's sort of perfect just like that. Alright, we'll take it. Okay, so Monster Hunter. Conga, basic bitch. Done. Okay, take us to the Conga section. Yes, to the Conga section, for sure. To the there we go. Alright. Grab the Conga stat block. Bring it over here. And import. This time we're going to pick the folder we want, which is Foundry VTT 10. I think this is the right folder. And import. Hey, it worked. Alright, cool. So we got our two monsters imported, which is something we normally do. And we're going to go here. We'll we'll go to our tokens folder and Monster Hunter. Okay, go ahead and grab this conga. Sweet. And again, I just want to make sure that I'm able to do all the things I normally do before I go copying all these settings over to my other games. So we get blood turned on. We got that set up. Token height set up. We don't need vision on these dudes. Health estimate. Ooh, I didn't know you could hide them. Hide certain ones' health. That's kind of neat. Okay. And update. Let's see what's happening here. Looks like Fist got set up correctly. Looks like Fart got set up correctly. And multi-attack is good. Fart is not a charge-based ability. Nice. Okay. And then over here, we got this adolescent Rajang. And he's a fist, and he's got a kick. And then he's got a legendary action to kick. Legendary actions down here. Legendary action to move. Without provoking opportunity attacks. Jesus Christ. Alright. And then you can make a quake. And that says it is a DC 16 strength. So that isn't actually set up. So we'll do saving throw. Flat. 16 strength. There we go. Meteor. Jesus Christ. Okay. Each of those creatures must succeed on a DC 16 strength saving throw, or take bludgeoning damage plus lightning damage and be knocked prone. Strength or dexterity save. Interesting. Okay. So let's see. Saving throw. And the damage is 2d6 bludgeoning plus 5 and 3d6 lightning. Okay. Alright, 2d6 plus, I guess it's his strength modifier, so at mod. Strength. And then, fuck, what was the last part? 3d6 lightning. There we go. I wonder why they did bludgeoning. Is it because he's punching, or is he throwing a rock? I guess he's throwing a rock. And knocked prone. Take only half damage. Push 5 feet out of Rajang's space. Jumps loses 15 feet. He then uses action to roll into a ball. Oh, it's the meteor. Okay. I haven't fought a Rajang in a long time. Each of these creatures must blah 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 blah. Alright, that sounds cool. Okay, so that's got saving throw associated with it. Nope, I didn't finish building it. Vacation brain, good. Alright. Okay. And then we've got lightning breath. That is set up properly. Alright. And I guess that's it. Okay. Neat. Stand up. Standing leap. Okay. Aw, thanks. Alright, so looks like we've got that working. Let's go ahead and plug in his token. Or her token. I don't know. Or their token. And we'll go to Monster Hunter. So I can't just run a Monster of the Week without like a backstory, obviously. So these congas, they took in a baby Rajang thinking it was another conga, but as it's grown to be a teenager, it's taken over the tribe and is bullying all the congas. So really, it should probably have a fart attack to represent, cultural values that it's picked up in its time amongst the others. But we'll see. We'll see. And vision, auras. All right, all that seems pretty good. Cool. Now I should have picked something with an aura, so maybe I will. give this guy an aura just so that I can make sure everything is kosher. I guess the best way for that would just be to go to my games that have that and do that. Let's see. Oh, I do. Alright, now Orf sent me his character code for his level 5 character. So we're going to see if the D&D import is working. So I'm going to go ahead and create a blank character and call it A. There we go. I'm going to click the D&D Beyond import button, and I think it's going to give me the error that my compendiums are locked or some shit. So let's see what happens though. Let's see. We should also update image too. Start import. Oh. Okay. Top 3 numerous abilities. Select from this drop-down list. Eyes of the Grave, Channel Divinity, Harness Divine Power. Sure. Okay. Something I've been running into in my other, my Foundry 9 was every time I went to do this, I had to unlock the compendium or it wouldn't let me import the character. Okay, so looks like Resources Plus is still there and it is still working. I'm going to go ahead and add this so that he can have lucky/unlucky, or fortune misfortune is how we track it. Fortune misfortune. And then we've got DM inspiration. And then we got fate. Alright. And this maxes at 3. And this doesn't have a max. Okay. Interesting. Spells. Looks like they all imported really well. Features. Good, 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 good. Ooh, crafting tab still there. Downtime tab still there. Happy about that. Okay. So, I think, for the most part, we're good to go on this. Let's throw some congas down. Let's make sure token mold is working, because token mold had stopped working for me before. Okay, so it has stopped working. Alright, so we have to look at token mold and find out what happened to our sweetest of babies. Alright, unlinked tokens only. Well, let's see. These are definitely unlinked. So why are you not working anymore? Add counting numbers to name and suffix. Add random adjective. System setting. Send results to chats. This setting just changes if the roles are sent to chat. Whether HP are rolled or not is based on the setting done on the sidebar. Set token size to creature size and scale to map size. Okay. Modify the data. Display bars and attributes. Display name. Token disposition. Overwrite everything to neutral. We don't want to randomly rotate it. We do want to randomly mirror it. So why is it turned off? Enable overlay for linked tokens. Okay. Okay, target literally laughs at danger so much that it's annoying. Adolescent, right? Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay. Conga disgorges the crown of the nearest king. Wait, what? What table are you drawing off of? Next person to wound the target is spattered with fish guts. Conga. What table am I fucking grabbing modifiers from? Caster has a parrot on his shoulder and a peg leg. Okay. Token mold. What the fuck? Alright, I'm happy you're working again. I don't know why. There's a lot of questions I have. Let's go to our settings. What is? Oh, it's using the. Oh, okay. So it's grabbing the wild surges table. Okay, I gotta take a fucking screenshot of this. Okay. Um. So my token mod is screwing up, and right now it is being fed wild magic table results as adjectives. That's just glorious. All right. Let's see. Can I get this without revealing all of his stats to the world? There we go. Okay. You don't gotta put this man's business out there? Okay. Alright, whatever. Okay. So, let's see. That's terrible. Alright, let's go to see if we can find token mod settings. I got everything like hellaciously small, which I guess doesn't help anybody watching in chat, so I'll zoom in. Okay. Token magic? Token... Is all of token mod handled here still? After all this time? Alright. So... Alright. Where are you grabbing the tables from? Ah, 10,000 wild magic surges. Okay. So... That's not where I want you to grab it from. Where's the actual token molds? Adjectives. Buddy. Somebody take away your adjectives? Alright, hold on. Common loot, ASMR traits. Tables, common potions, unstable ley lines, easy tables, punishments. Fuck. My adjectives are broken. They're missing. Add a random adjective from the dictionary. So can I just turn this off? Alright, how do I not select something? Let's see. Reset counter for this scene of all tokens. Okay. Let's try again. Oh my god. Alright. Fuck. Alright. Maybe it's in my compendiums. Adjectives? Adjectives for tokens mold. Where'd all my adjectives go? They've been stolen from me. Alright, fuck. Alright, well this would definitely explain why it's not working. Alright. Fucking all, oh man. Alright. Um. Hmm. How do you think we fix this? Do I uninstall it and reinstall it? All right, let's try that. All right, I'm gonna go back to Forge. Okay, and let me see. Let's go to the bazaar. Poor token mold. So at some point, I must have deleted um, token mold's thing in the past like week or so. All right, token mold. Poor baby. All right, let's look at the project page too. Okay. Version compatibility. All right, name, hit points. Okay, HP config. Arabic numbers. Random name generation. Um. So. Oh, okay. So you can teach it to do certain things for certain types of creatures. Oh, that's pretty fucking cool now. All right. Um. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. So let's see. We're gonna uninstall it though, and hopefully when we restart, it'll be back. So I'm gonna stop my server. Man, the loss of token mold. We can't go on without it. So let's go ahead and launch it. I can't really check the settings. Excuse me. Ugh. I can't really check the settings of my other games because they're all in flux right now. This is sort of like the pioneer world going into Foundry 10. Mm-mm-mm. I had just been talking about changing out my token mold table, but this isn't how I wanted it to go down. This isn't how it's supposed to be at all. All right. So now we don't have token mold at all. So if we bring out Ginger Boy Cookie is just Ginger Boy Cookie. He doesn't get any modifiers, doesn't have any of that kind of shit. All right. So we're going to go back to Forge. And we're going to stop the server. And we're going to go back over to token mold. We're going to install it. Okay. And then we're going to start the server back up. And we're going to launch it again. And maybe it will re-add, reconnect, whatever, its file. That's what I'm hoping. I'm hoping it doesn't say, hey, you had this previously, and I went and I found your settings. The settings where you fucking broke token mold. And we're going to use those settings because convenience feature. So that would make me very sad. I guess I could start a brand new Foundry 10 world, see what the default settings are for that world, and then copy those results over if this doesn't work. So we could try that. I think that's what we'll try next. But we won't have to try next because this is for sure going to work. Absolutely. For sure. Alright. So we go back over, say token mold. Yep, absolutely. Turn that baby on. Okay. I should also check to see if our dice got saved, because I remember in Monster Hunter when we upgraded to 10, we lost like our dice, our animations, all that. Okay, I have hit save module. I don't know why it's taking so long. Let's see. Save module? Maybe? Hmm. So it's not letting me save out my settings, which seems kind of bad. Alright. Let's go to Manage Modules. And we will look at token mold. Alright. Save settings. Oh, it just didn't require a restart for token mold. Okay. Alright. So let's go over to here. Token mold settings should be there. And we're going to take Ginger Boy, drag him out. And he is still getting the wild magic tables. Okay. Why? Why? Why is this happening? Alright. Okay. I'm like so confused. And I'm confused, like, where are the... Oh, okay. So the adjectives are back. The adjectives are back. So that's good. Smaller but community curated set of 700 or 4,700 random adjectives. Let's see. Maybe. I think at some point I might have just deleted them, and so it was just grabbing like a random table. All right, but they're back now. All right. Hold shift to override name removal or replacement and always add base. That's kind of cool. All right. So now if we drag out a Ginger Boy, it is philosophical. It is critical, colorful. All right. I kind of like the 4700 though. Do I have a roll table mod? I used to have roll from table. I don't believe I have that one anymore. I think we've got it working now though. So let me go back in to the settings and I'll just turn on the big list. Here we go. Add random adjective from dictionary. What if I keep that off? What happens then? And we bring out this guy. Unsteady Ginger Boy. So, does the dictionary thing not do anything? Compassionate. Chaotic. How did I get... Oh. Undefatigable? Fatigable? Oh, jeez. Maybe I should use the curated list. Graceful. Alright. Neat. So they're all kind of moving around. Short-tempered. Okay. So we got that working. Save and close. Save and close. Alright. Excellent. Wait. No, it stopped working. For fuck's sake. Alright, hold on. I guess that button does need to be checked on. So let's go back to our settings and add random adjective. Save and close. Try again. Alright, sweet. Okay, so we fixed token mold. That's good. That's good. So what we're going to do then is going to go to our scene here. And I don't know why it didn't... Ah, no! It didn't save all of our settings. Alright, so we're going to go to here. Alright, that's why we're doing the testing. That's why we're doing the testing. Want to make sure we can live our normal life. Let's see. Monkey Cave. And grid turn down. And lighting make darker. Alright, and save changes. Cool. Now it's called Monkey Cave. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and just keep this adolescent regime. I'm going to go ahead and change a couple of things on him. One, I'm going to get rid of the 01. And let's see. I guess I could keep adolescent. That's fine. And let's see. We'll make him a little bit bigger to make him a little more intimidating. There we go. Alright. How's auras looking? I doubt anything major has changed with auras. Let's see. Nope, it's all still the same. Okay. I like auras. I'm a big fan, and I'm sorry if I'm going to say this. I'm a big fan of any mod that lets me feel like I'm still using Roll20. Yep, that's right. I said it. Cool. As far as his health goes, 134, certainly manageable with a party of 4 characters. I think they'll burn him down pretty quick. It's just a test anyways. I think his average is supposed to be 150. But maybe him have bad diet. I don't know. Sweet. So, since he's going to be his own thing and not affect the actual character sheet, we'll go ahead and add this fart. Yeah. So, here you go. Now, we'll move into the back of the cave. Ah, he's still teleporting through walls. Alright. We gotta figure that one out. Ah, so frustrating. Alright, and then these guys we can get rid of. And then we'll drag out some freshies. Here we go. And these will have slightly normal naming conventions now. Alright, cool. Okay, so like that. Perfect. Alright. Excellent. And now we got to figure out other settings, like where our fucking calendar went. That's a great thing to figure out. Alright. Let's go to our mods. I think I installed a second calendar that might have killed the first calendar. No, we still got simple calendar there. Okay. So let's see. Configure settings. And calendar. Alright. I feel like this should be searching simple calendar a lot better than it is. Simple calendar. Alright. Theme is dark. I have it set to not open on load. When the simple calendar application is opened, it will open in compact mode by default. It will remember its position. It will remember its compact position. Always show note list. This setting will make it so the note list is always visible and cannot be closed. The only exception is if the calendar list, blah, 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 persistent open. When enabled, this will remove the close button from the calendar window. Right. Cool. But where is the ability to show the calendar, period? Has it been moved? Is it under journals now? Oh, okay. Has it always been under journals? I'm suspicious. I think it's always been there. What is this quest shit? Why is that up? Toggle objectives. Objectives? What the fuck are objectives? Let me guess. This has been a core feature the whole time. Foundry VTT quests and objectives. Forian's quest log is what is adding this. I don't have Forian's quest log. Alright. What the fuck is this? I mean, it seems like pretty useful. Anyone know what this is? So has calendar always been under journal? Am I just really dumb? Has it always been under journal? Do you have logs journal mods? Oh, your token's visible mod is probably the one that avoided the drag animations for token moving past walls. Oh, yeah, and your token visible isn't around anymore. I had to get rid of it. They said it wasn't compatible anymore. Let me see. I love your token's visible. Your token. Uh, your token visible. It's done. It's donezo's. Can't have it anymore. You don't see that quest stuff in yours? Okay. I gotta. Alright. Wow. I've got 30 minutes before I gotta go work on some other stuff. Let's see. What am I gonna do? I probably just need to run through my mods like one fucking mod at a time. Alright. Let me look at my core settings. Without the calendar filter in place. There we go. So, configure permissions, default token. So the default token, I guess we should just make them always neutral. But token mod overwrites this shit anyways. They shouldn't have vision turned on. They shouldn't have any lights. And the hit point should always show for the owner. Alright, that seems pretty good. Alright, save. Additional fonts we don't really need. Disable game canvas. The game canvas, which provides visual representation of the virtual tabletop, can be disabled. No. Chat bubbles, panda speakers off. Scrolling text is off. Left click release is on. Frame rate is photosensitivity mode. Oh, is this new? Photosensitivity mode? Let me see. Not sure if this is new to Foundry VTT 10, but it might be good for you. Under core settings. All right. Well, that's really nice. If that's new, and if it's not new, then I feel bad for not noticing it sooner, because I was looking for some accessibility stuff for a couple of my players. Drag, token vision is off. Zoom texture, anti-aliasing, combat theme. The set of sounds that will play when combat begins, when your turn is next, and when it is your turn. So that's a default feature now. Interesting. Epic and fight commentator. Is that controlled by something else, though? I feel like that was somebody else's fucking job. Okay. Well, we'll see. Cone template, default, flat. Yes. Alright. In the past, simple calendar was the token controls. Thank you! I'm not crazy! Alright. Alright, cool. So, let's see. Next up, configure settings. We'll go to 5th edition. We want to change it to DMG alternating. Module provided art. Sure. Initiative tiebreakers, currency weight. Don't worry about that. Collapse item cards in chat. Nah. Polymorphing. Sure. So, critical damage maximized dice is covered here. So I guess I'll select it here. I'm gonna make like notes of all the shit that I'm doing. Hold on. I'm gonna make a doc where I just like tell myself you did these things in case I forget. All right, so D&D 5e core settings toggled on crit damage max dice. All right, I'm also going to in core, I guess, turn on combat theme fight commentator. All right. In core settings, toggled on fight commentator. Okay. I kind of feel like the most things we can do with the core settings, the better, because then we don't have to rely on the mods. Hey, good morning. Oh, it's an option in Ready Set Roll? Oh, shit. All right, well, I guess I'll turn it off for now. I'm going to put not on, but noteworthy. Okay. So then we go down to Resources Plus. Show everything. Global resource limit is max. Local resource limit can be turned off. Use new settings location when enabled moves the resource count setting to the sheet setting. Okay, that's fine. Oh, Monk Styles was too much for me, baby. I couldn't do it. I mean, if that guy that plays Sibo is available from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern today, that'd be pretty good. All right, let's see. Active token effects. Size adjustments with flags. Allow for size adjustments to be made with flags. Always return tokens to prototype token defaults if flag is not present. Yes? Question mark? Allow control without GM. Allow users with this role and above to control alt effects when the GM is not present. Okay. I don't see the harm in that. Totally fine. Alright, I gotta reload though. So here we go. Yeah. What are we even using active token effects for anymore? Is it to get the flying? I can't ever remember. Alright. Let's see. To make tokens big. Okay. I will have to beat Dom up and ask him to teach me how to make my tokens big. Because I miss being able to toggle that shit on. Those are the good days. Let's see. Let's go back to our settings. And we're just gonna what else are we gonna do? Gotta eat this elephant one bite at a time, I guess. Active auras. Use the system to find movement measurements. Yes. Walls block auras. Absolutely. Height measurement system. Yes. Remove auras on death. On tokens reaching 0, remove any auras. Cool. Remove auras on hidden tokens. On tokens that are hidden, remove any auras that they would provide. Default is on. Oh, we should turn that off. Auras in combat. No, you know, I wonder. This is for performance reasons. Should only be on unless you really need it off. Okay, fine. Disable scrolling text for auras. Removes active scrolling text for any applied aura. Additional console bugs. Okay, so that's fine. So I'm gonna keep hidden tokens doing their auras. So, active auras. And we changed that. Alright. Advanced macros. Disable drop roll table on hotbar. The function of creating a macro on the hotbar when dropping a roll table may conflict with other modules. This setting disables this functionality. And experimental. I don't think I want to mess with any of that stuff. We're just going to go to the next one. Always HP. Load option. Everyone. You can toggle it. It's going to fuck with your hit points. No sign means negative. If no plus or minus is added, it always assumes negative. Yes, that sounds good. Set defeated status on 0. Don't. Clear death saving throws. Don't do that. Clear after applying. Yeah, I probably don't need that. Allow double click. Double clicking the up down arrows will fully heal. Allow bar click. Hover over and click the HP bar to alter the attribute. Okay. Allow bar click. Hover over and click on the HP bar to alter the. What does that do? All right. Okay. Hover over and click it. No, that doesn't do anything. You lied to me. Hover over. Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, man. Okay, that's pretty cool. I think it's a little messy. It feels like I'm just sort of estimating where I want their health to be at. But it is pretty neat. Alright, I'll leave it off, though. Oh, you sent your macro that makes tokens big. Hell yeah. Let's see. It's a lot. It's a lot of macro. All right, I'm gonna grab this, and we'll go here. So get big, and it is a script, and we're gonna put it in here, and we'll go to status markers. All right, sweet. If I'm gonna save it, and then I apply it to this dude. Aww. There was an error in your syntax. Unexpected token. What is the issue? Oh, I don't have big boy FX, bro. I think I have to. Do I have to call it Big Boy FX? Let's see. Big Boy FX. Alright. Nope. Unexpected token colon. Big Boy FX. Sugar effects. Oh well. Let's see. It should be a script. Yeah, I have it set as a script. Update tokens to flip. Bro, I'm confused. Which one do you want me to use? You keep sending me different things. Do I add this in? Okay. Oh. Oh shit, it got real big. Okay. Oh, that's cool, man. Nice. Yeah, I don't know. The first one you sent was all like fucky. But the second one works great. Okay. Um, is it making it? How big is it making it? Let me see. It feels like it's going. Is it going huge or is it just going large? No, I guess it's just going large. Oh wow, that's really cool. Thank you. Um, all right. So let's see. We're not going to allow the bar click anymore. Ambient doors. Silent door permission level is trusted, and that's when you alt click a door. So important to have silent doors. All these settings should be fine. Let's turn the jiggle volume up a little bit. Gotta have nice satisfying sounds when you open stuff. Close lock volume level. All right. Autocomplete whisper. Include GM usernames. If enabled, the usernames of any user with a GM role will appear as well. You probably only check this if playing a game with multiple GMs. Okay. Automated animation. Global automatic recognition menu. Launch the global auto rec menu. This also houses the settings for automated animations. Ah, okay. Cool. Oh, you can add your own to this. Has anybody ever done that? Has anybody gone through and added global animation replacements? And if so, can we share this shit? Is it possible to like export them? Hmm. Oh, okay. Auras, presets, active effects. The active effects one is a real pain in the ass. Um, okay. That's pretty cool. Let's see. Automated Evocations Companion Manager. Auto close. Enable automations. Store companion on actor. Hide companion button. Only owned actors. Alright, so save. So let's see. Let's just pretend that this guy could summon these guys. And let's see if he can. Click and good. Lovely. Alright. It feels a little obnoxious that it closes automatically for the DM because you might want to summon like a bunch of dudes at once. But I don't know if that's a global setting or a user setting. So I'm not sure I want to turn it off. Let's see. Alright, so now we got Beaver's crafting module. Alright, so configure tools available. I haven't done anything with Beaver's stuff yet. So... Oh, so you were able to export ones that you made? Is there an export button for the animations from the automated ones? Like if I'm looking at this, I've got duplicate advanced maybe? Exclude search words, exclude item property. Change name. Dagger. Source animation. Add macro. Oh, wait. Custom? Oh, options. It's in the menu manager? Menu manager. I don't know what the menu manager is. All right. Oh, here? Okay. Automatic animations, disable automatic recognition, JB2A asset location, hide the animation tab from players, MIDI quality of life, which we don't have. I don't know. Bottom of the window, menu manager. Export. Export your menu to JSON file. Oh, neat. Okay. Overwrite. Erase current and import a new menu. So you're saying that this one that says dagger, if I import it, it will overwrite all this. All right. Is this dangerous? We can always restore the default. All right. Overwrite. It's irreversible. That's terrifying. All right. And go. Everything. Ooh. Oh, shit. Wow. You really went all out, man. Holy shit. Oh my god. And then these could be merged. So, like, other people who have different things could, like, export theirs, and they could import it, and then it gets bigger and bigger and bigger as, like, more and more stuff is shared. Holy shit, man. That's awesome. From the JB2A server? Oh, shit. Okay. Oh, wow. That's really fucking cool. Oh, man. That's awesome. Okay. Wow. That's awesome. All right. We're going to skip beavers for now, I guess. I kind of need to get beavers working, but I don't want to, in 8 minutes, I don't want to dig into beavers. So we'll have to come back to beavers. Automatically pause when break time shows up. Away message. I'm back. Chat message. Play a sound when the break is initiated. Oh, is that new? What's the sound? Okay. Set the time remaining for this break. Oh, that's dope. Oh. Wow, they added a timer and everything? Oh, that's cool. Alright. Neat. Default time is 10 minutes. Alright. Wow, that's cool. Okay. Build a bonus. I haven't fucked around with build a bonus yet. If checked, the label is displayed in the header of applicable actors, items, etc. Disable the custom strip filters from having their values read. Instead, the filter always immediately returns true. Enable the setting if you prefer others not executing scripts. Show aura ranges. Create a visual indicator for the ranges of bonus auras. This does not apply the template auras or auras within limited range. If the roller is within an aura, it's marked green, otherwise red. That's pretty cool. I haven't even, yeah, I'm not ready to get started on that. Chat commander. Display autocomplete menu when entering commands into the chat. Changing the setting will reload the window. Maximum autocomplete entries, autocomplete core commands. All right, that's all fine. Chat images is fine. There's an upload button for chat now. So it doesn't automatically do it. Like you have to hit a fucking button to add it. All right, let's check. Okay. Let's see. Take this cutie, paste it in. Interesting. So it gives you a chance to like say, oh, wait a minute, and get rid of it. So if somebody puts something shitty in chat, then they really were committed to putting something shitty in chat. Understood. Okay. Chat message timestamp. Shows date on hover. Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay. And chat portrait. Alright. Use token image. Use the actor's token instead of their standard image. I like that. Do not use token image with the following types of actors. Oh, that's true. If their token default is like a monster and they're showing a different token, that could give it away. Oh well, we'll see how it goes. We'll see how many spoilers we accidentally do. Use token name. If true, force the user's token name instead of the actor's standard name. Well, yeah, we want that for sure. So let's see what we could do about this. Let's say that, I don't know. Let's say Krampus. Here we go. Where are you at, Krampus? Krampus. Schmetterling. Krampus, the Yule Lord. Alright, so let's say that Krampus, the Yule Lord, he has a token like so. And we want to make this say something else, not Krampus. Okay. And then we're going to go over to here, appearances. I am not seeing shifting tokens either as an option. Is that something that we can only set up through prototype token? Ah, okay. So what if we did this? Okay, hold on. Hold on. I want to see how this is going to affect like werewolves and shit. So we make him have a shifting token. And update. And then we go to the prototype. Alright, I'm on Schmetterling right now, I guess. And he's got a shifting. How come it's not giving me the option for a default token? Well, that's something else we got to worry about now. Alright, drag Schmetterling out. And it just randomly gives me a token. And then I have the ability to randomly shift that token. Alright. But what if I change his name to just a guy? Update. But we know that his real token is there. So now I got him selected and he's talking. And it shows up as just a guy, but it's showing his token art because I didn't save it. So let me save these settings. And there we go. Okay. So that's pretty good. We don't want to show the original art. Token HUD wildcard still works? Did I not have that on my mod list? Hold on. Okay. Wildcard. Yeah, I got token HUD wildcard. Maybe I have to adjust the settings on it or some shit? Let's see. We'll keep working through. Wow. I mean, I can skip to the end real quick. Token HUD wildcard. Display as image. Disable to display wildcard options as a list of their file names. Opacity of token preview. That's all we got for that. So why can't I get a default? That's weird. Alright, chat portrait. Let's keep going. We could make the portrait sizes bigger in chat. I'd be okay with that. Portrait size for any other image on the chat message. Oh, Alexa, stop the timer. Alright, what time is it? 9:30? Fuck. I had more stuff I wanted to do. Oh well. Change color of message background. Oh, so we could just use this, and then we don't need Elandrils anymore. Okay. Change color of message border. Alright. Force name search. If there's no actor matching with chat message, search for an actor with the name corresponding to the message speaker's alias. Compatibility with theater insert module. Size of the name, text name on chat. Adds a textual tag to chat messages. Oh, whisper, blind roll, or self roll next to the timestamp. Oh. Okay. That sounds pretty cool. Image replacer. Some people do not like images from the image replacer. Now you can disable this function. Apply chat portrait on combat tracker. That's already handled by some other shit. Affect every message. Display chat message type whisper, roll, emote. Alright. Let's see. Display unknown. Placeholder of the label unknown. Unknown. Set up additional custom styling. Jesus Christ. Enable speaking as. An embedded integration of the module speaking as. Meh. Okay. Wow. So let's go 50. Save? Okay. And talk. Hello. Alright, that's cool. It's a little bit bigger. It says what kind it is. What if I do this? Oh. I thought it would give an indication that I was doing something different. Whisper, GM. Hey. Ah. Okay. It does tell you that it's a different one with a tag. I just don't have a picture registered to myself. Alright, that's pretty cool. So, could we go into the modules then and turn off Elandril's color shits? Let's see. Elandril's chat enhancements. I should probably check the settings on it first. So let's see. Allow speaking as selection. Right-clicking on the speaking as indicator will show a menu of all controllable tokens for the player. Oh. Show the name of the token you will speak as between the chat. So this has nothing to do with the color. So where are we getting the color settings from? Okay. Chat enhancement, chat portraits, chat pins. Somebody's changing the color of our chats. Fuck. Alright. God, there's so much we still have to work on and figure out. Okay. Alright, so I need to go. I got to run a bunch of errands today, and such. I'll be back at 4, and I will be running a quick encounter to kind of test out things in play. Color for chat is in monks. Under monks little details. Okay. Or player settings. Fuck if I know. Alright. Well, I'll get all this sorted out. We got time. Games don't resume until Monday night, so that's a whole thing. I'm just gonna call it. There's no way we're gonna have time to get the Pathfinder shit set up. I'm just gonna focus on getting. The D&D games back up and running, and then we'll worry about Pathfinder after the fact. But I got to make sure that these games are actually playable and everything's working before I start worrying about new stuff. So that's a whole thing. All right. Well, thank you everybody for hanging out. I'm sure it was a little frustrating to watch me bumble around trying to find the right things and being confused by everything, but it is what it is. There's a lot of new features in 10, and I'm trying out a lot of new mods. This doesn't even include all the Ripper stuff that I was going to check out. Yeah. And if I wasn't running 6 different games, this would be a lot easier because we could just tweak the settings on one thing and not worry about it. But with there being 6 different games, it's like if I tweak stuff in one place, I have to go and tweak it in other places because you never know if like copying the environment is going to actually bring all the changes over. So it's just a whole fucking thing. The solution obviously is to have less games, I think. But we're going to get it working. All right, I'll be back at 4. Hope everybody has a good Wednesday, and I'll see you next time.